Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting video related on Overleaf. In this video, I'll provide you detailed demonstration A to Z information on Overleaf LaTeX online portal. You can use the entire tips and tricks and publish your research article, make PPT, and so many things you can create using Overleaf and access anywhere in the world. Very easy. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration on laptop screen.
So now let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, you need to sign in your Overleaf account. I already sign in here. This is my Overleaf account and I always use this account to generate as a PDF document, resume, academic or office related. I make everything here: PPT presentation, document, research article, and so. Before start anything, I just simply upload here one of the IEEE conference templates so you can understand which types of information you want update, modify. I will show you detailed demonstration in this video. So first of all, how to upload research article or any other template. Click here the new, and here blank project, example, upload project, or import from GitHub or academic template related informations are available. I just simply click here the upload project. As a upload project point of view, you need to always upload as a zip file, not a single text file or other. So I upload here zip file. So look at this is my research article. We just simply delete this one, no need PDF. So if I click here, this is a text file, just only one single file available for IEEE paper template. Other those are some packages, but we are targeting today just only how to change, modify, how to add image, or how to add some table or other features. First of all, we need to change the conference paper title. Where is the conference paper title? Look at this here. The title is available here. So I just simply type here Research Rocks Research Paper. As a demo point of view, I just added here as a random name. You need to remove the star also, so you can very easily remove the star. Always use first letter as a capital. As a research article perspective, we need to delete this one if you want add subtitle and all. So we don't need subtitle related information, so you just simply delete entire line. If you delete something, so you can always refresh and save this one. I always use command yes because of I'm using in Mac. Otherwise recompile, save and recompile. So first of all, we change the first author name. As a demo point of view, I just simply type here my personal name, and after that here department of CS and IT, I just simply type here CS, and organization name or organization name IIT Hyderabad here. So look at this, currently I am receiving the error, so I just simply go Control Z, error is not going, remove this one bracket. So you should be carefully if you facing some problem regarding the error, so you can always undo and change, which if you change something or semicolon, this curly brace is very important as a latex point of view. If one curly brace is missing, so you receive some of the error. So accordingly, you always do undo process and then change the error. Otherwise, you are not able to find this particular error. My entire first author name is a change. As a demo point of view, I just type here. After that 4 to 6, I delete those one. Not really require. Refresh. I am receiving the error. I delete one parenthesis. So again I refresh. Look at this. The 3 author is gone and just remaining 3 authors here. Now I just simply add here some of the word as an abstract. So I just open my Medium block, copy one paragraph and put it here. So look at this entire paragraph, I put it here. This is a keywords, so I just simply add here one keywords. Refresh or recompile if you add something. So look at this, Research Rocks is coming here. Now I want to add here the table. How to add? It's very simple. Look at this here. The code visual and visualization are showing here like this. So we can go here, code editor, and look at this here. If you click the three dots here, so many options are available. Math symbol, you add here some pattern related symbol, hyperlink, cross references, insert citation, image insert, and table insertion is going on. If I click here, so we should add here 4 by 4 or 5 by 4. So accordingly 4 by 4 I want to add the table here, introduction section, and just simply type here 1 the demo value, like and refresh. Let's see where is the table is gone. Look at this, the table is coming like a top is the position, but we won't add the table here. So that point of view, you need to add here one of the word, and that one is a array bracket, exclamatory mark, and then th, and then refresh. So let's see where is going table. Look at this, the table is coming perfect location. The caption always comes as a top position, so we just simply copy and paste caption name here, and you can just type here demo table. If you click here, so look at this here, demo table, table number 1 is automatically coming here. No need to require this is a table number 1 or 2. Now next point comes how to add image. It's very easy. Look at this, I just simply click here which location I want to add the image, and here the image related options also available. I click here, upload from computer, project file, or other image. Okay, then I upload from computer. You can drag and drop also. Just simply look at this, the image is automatically coming here. I just simply upload the image, simply refresh, and boom, look at this, the image are coming here. Again we just simply type here one bracket, exclamatory mark, th, and the image coming from particular location, exactly which location I want added here. This is the width of this particular image, so I just simply type here 1.5. so look at this, the image is bigger now, if 0.8. so this is a way to add here the image. Now I just simply add some of the mathematical equation. This is one of the best tool for the website or other one. So with the help of math tools, you can very easily copy any of equation, which equation you want add here. Just simply open this application or platform and just simply drag and drop specific research article, which research article equation you want use. So I just simply download one of the research article and then simply upload this research paper here. We need to open this research article here, wait couple of seconds, depend upon the internet speed. So here the research article is open, and which equation you want copy. So look at this, I want copy this equation. So LaTeX, MathL, or other images. So I just wanted to copy this one as a LaTeX format copy, and you need to paste here this particular equation. So entire equation as it is calling here. Look at this, like this research article, its outstanding features, introducing math picks, also snip math picks. So this is a simple way to add mathematical equation. Also if you want to add some of the bullet points, so we can add here very easily some of the bullet points also here. So just simply click here three dots, and here some of the bullet list. So bullet list is coming like this, and if you enter slash and just simply type here item demo 2, again refresh. So here demo 2 is automatically coming here. So you can very easily accordingly add here the bullet list. Here second one is also coming here, number list. Here itemize means bullet list is coming here, enumerate number is coming here, demo number. If I refresh here, so look at this here, the demo number coming here as a number. So here the number is coming here. So now next point come here, how to add reference. It's very easy. If you want to add something as a reference point of view, you just simply copy this particular research article and go to the Google Scholar, enter, you just simply copy and paste, and here citation cite. So here which one you want to add here, like a bib text, you need to copy this one research article, this one, and come to the here. And here they are introducing as a different way as a citation. So we just simply remove this one as a demo point of view, and b1 we just calling as a multiple time. Here the structure is totally changed. So how to add this particular structure? So look at this here. First of all, author name is coming here, so I add here the author name like this. Here is author name, and this one is a research title, so I just simply add here my research title here like this. After that, we need to add here journal name. So here the Oxford for GAN we need to add here, and after that the volume and year, I just simply add here year and page number. And after that, this bibliothèque number is a B1. If you copy this one, and now you want add here as a citation, as a demo point of view, I just simply use introduction and here the citation. So simply type here /CITE citation and just type here. So your citation is coming here. Look at this, the citation number is coming here. It's easy. One coming because of the citation position is 1 here in the mentioning. So it's very easy. Accordingly, you can follow these steps as a step by step and edit, modify your research article as well as any other documentation like a resume. I already make my resume here, so I just change some of the experience, some of the key points, skill, and I send it my resume. Accordingly, I use as a PPT presentation, covering letter and related information. I uploaded here and use Overleaf software. I am not install LaTeX in my laptop and consuming too much space. So this is a simple process to understand Overleaf A to Z. You can share your research article like this, share with you, someone are sharing me, you can share your research article also like this all. If you click here and if you want share, so you can very easily share like someone are receiving email like this share. You can edit, give the permission read only or can edit only, so I give it to all permission of this particular person. Someone are accept, so he or she also edit my research articles continuously. Your projects, thrash project, if you delete something, so thrash is coming here. Archive related projects also coming here. So many options they are introducing nowadays, so accordingly you can use this one and improve your skill. Here code editor, visual editor also available here. If you change something via code, so it's okay, otherwise you can use here the visualization editor also they are introducing. If you want upload some of the image, so you can directly drag and drop the image here also like this, and the image are showing here like this. Change the name also of this particular image. Accordingly, you can directly upload here. Upload options are available, new folder or files, or you want rename your research article, or you want delete something, click here and delete this image or delete this page. Backspace is also here. If you have any problem related Overleaf LaTeX, do comment, I will help you as soon as possible. But this is one of the best tool I saw ever. If you are student or professor or academician point of view, Overleaf is one of the best tool.
If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.